Hello carpet cleaning friends, this is Ruben from Legend Brands. I'm very excited to tell you that next week I'm going to be putting out 5 videos for you guys, one on every day of the work week. Now this series is all going to be about how to grow your Instagram following of your carpet cleaning business. Now you may or may not know, but a little while back I put out a video on why you as a carpet cleaner should be on Instagram, and in that video I said that later on I would teach you how to do it. Well, I'm not someone that likes to do things by halves, so instead of doing you one video, I've done you 5. We're going to talk about things like how to optimize your profile, how to properly tag your posts, how to engage with the Instagram community, how to increase the loyalty of your followers on the platform, and round it off by talking about becoming an Instagram business profile and how to use the analytics that will provide you with to hone your marketing message. It's going to be great. I'm very excited, and to prove that what I'm going to teach you works, I'm going to set myself a target to grow my Instagram following by 100 followers over those 5 days. And I would encourage you to do the same. If you put this practice into place, you will grow your influence, you will grow your following on that platform and take advantage of some of the ample opportunities that Instagram currently provides for us. My commitment to you guys is to produce the highest quality content within our industry on social media. And this series follows along with that. I put a lot of time and effort into it. It's going to be great. I look forward to seeing you there. Subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, connect with me on Facebook to stay up to date with these videos as they come out. I look forward to seeing you next week. Stay safe all. Have a great weekend. I'll see you then. Bye.